All right, for the double declining balance method. All right, so this is double declining balance. A lot of times you'll see DDB for that. All right, the double declining balance method, depreciation expense equals the book value times 2 times the straight line rate. All right, the 2 comes because it's double. All right, so it's double the straight line rate. Now, a couple of terms here. Book value, remember, is your cost minus accumulated depreciation. Okay, the straight line rate equals 1 over the life. So in our case, it has a 5-year life, so it's 1 over 5, or you could also say 20%, and that's the straight line rate. Okay, so in year 1, we've got book value times the straight line rate. Here's our expense. And I'm going to add a little column over here for accumulated. All right, so our book value at the very beginning of year 1 is what we paid for it. So 37 million times 2 times 1/5. So our depreciation expense is $14,800,000. $800,000. All right, at the end of year 1, that is also our accumulated. All right, for year 2, we need our new book value. All right, the new book value, okay, book value at year 2 is the 37 million minus 14,800, which is $22,200. $200,000. $22,200,000. These numbers are too big. 22,200,000 times 2 times 1/5, and that equals, I don't know what that equals. 22,200,000 times 2 divided by 5. $8,880,000. Now, our accumulated, you add these together. So now our accumulated is $23,680,000. $23,680,000. So if we keep going, let's go ahead and keep going on this one. So year 3, our book value at year 3 is 37 times the 20, or minus the 23. Okay, so that means our book value at the beginning of year 3 is $13,320,000. Okay, so that comes here, 13 million times 2 times 1/5. That doesn't change. Oops. So that's 5,328,000. Then you add those two together to get the new accumulated. So up to 29. And you will continue on that way, but you have to stop when you hit 5 million. So actually, I'm going to continue on. I'm going to have to move down here. All right, so year 4, our book value is now 37 million minus the 29. So our book value is now 7,992,000. Okay. All right, so here's the problem with this one. When I multiply this out, I actually get 3,196,800. But if I do that, it's going to take my book value down below 5 million, and I can't go below residual. All right, this out here has to equal 5 million. I've got to stop at that. All right, so in this case, I just have to plug it in, which means that, well, I'm sorry, this has to equal 32 million. This is my accumulated. And my book value has to equal 5. So this depreciation expense this time is just going to be the difference between these two numbers. So 32. So it's actually going to be 2,992,000. And I got that number by doing the 32 million that my accumulated needs to be, minus the 29,008 that's already in there. All right, and that ensures that my book value now is my 37 million minus my 32 million, and that's $5 million. And that's where it has to stop. Okay.